welcome back to my channel. This is kind of like a video that's long overdue. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the Sonic blending foundation brush. So this is like I guess this is the newer version they have. First and foremost, this is like not old to the beauty community, like definitely not. And on top of that, this is kind of like a 2-in-1 because everybody really liked my iPhonex review and like my Apple Watch review videos. So this whole video, this whole entire situation is all recorded on the iPhonex. Yeah, so I'm gonna get right into it. We're gonna test this bad boy out and we're gonna see, like, really, it says here, let me read you all the specs. It says the world's first micro-robotic sonic makeup brush. So it says Sonicblend is the first of its kind makeup brush that applies makeup at sonic speed of more than 4,000 times per second and has built-in protection against micro beads contaminations, so the brush stays cleaner and fresher and at a longer period of time. Also, it says that it goes to 3 speeds, rechargeable, universal brush head, and it comes with here the USB charger, user guide, 1-year warranty, and the bonus travel kit. I decided to go with this like cute unicorn kind of like fish scale pattern. They have so many different patterns. If I can, I'll put it like here and show you like a little screenshot of the website. This is basically everything in the box. It's really not much in the box. It's kind of what it looks like. And this is the travel size. Comes just like this. I'm gonna try to put like one of the coupon codes or like the link to where I got this, because I got this under $100 under, and I believe you can this product can range between 80 to 160, I believe. I'm not quite sure, don't quote me on that, but we're gonna really test this out. We're gonna really see if it's even worth it, to be honest. We're gonna let you just see. This is the on button. Also, check out my nails. I did them myself. I'm going to do a video on how I do these nails. I started doing my own gel nail art and my own gel nail designs. This is unicorn. Yep. So anyway, get back to this. So it has the on button. As you can see, that's like the green showing you that it's fully charged. You can go up to another speed, and then this is the fastest speed. Okay, so let's do the testing. I already prepped my skin with the moisturizer and everything like that. So actually I'm gonna turn it off and put the product on it now. I'm gonna do about 2 pumps like that. I'm so scared, you guys. Like, okay, so I noticed it's kind of like melting into the brush. I'm gonna put my hair back. Okay. And I think you gotta kind of move fast with this. I'm not quite sure if you should just tap or if you should just kind of go in a circle motion. I feel like when you go in circle motion, ooh, I'm not putting too much pressure. Yeah, I'm not putting too much pressure. I'm kind of keeping it. Wow. Yeah, this is really, really pretty, you guys. Yeah, this is really pretty. Because if you look at this side versus this side, like, wow. Yeah, it's like not blocking my pores too much. I do see my pores out, but I do feel like that's because I do need to do a really good detox to my face. I've needed to do this for a while, considering like when you use a lot of makeup, you guys, it's very important to kind of detox your face. And one thing I can say is this is really relaxing. Like, if you're just sitting and like watching TV and doing your makeup, like it's like getting like your face massage. It's like really nice. Put that on my eyelid. I kind of like the second speed better. I don't know if maybe I just like this side of my face better. But yeah, I kind of like the second speed better, you guys. You tell me. I'm getting a little breakouts here, but you know, it's bound to happen. Just gotta clean your face good. And just put a little, I don't really like putting makeup on my forehead. I don't know why, but I feel like it doesn't really need it. So I try to avoid like putting makeup there. So this is the first layer, you guys. I don't know if you can kind of tell. Yeah, I feel like you can, yeah, because I had showed you before like the difference. The final speed, and I'm just gonna put it all over. I noticed with this brush, because it absorbs so quickly, like the liquid, you kind of have to move quick. You can't just like let it sit on the brush while you have it like on. I feel like it just takes in the product quickly, and it's like kind of ready to go while you're still like sitting there. So yeah, I feel like this is super bomb. I love this. Yep, this is beautiful. Now I use, I don't know if you guys can say, this is the brand I use to set, but I feel like it smells so good, you guys. Like, if you don't know this brand, you can buy it at Walgreens. I don't know if Rite Aid has it, but I'm pretty sure they should. I'm gonna just try to dip that in, tap the excess off, and we're going to not put it on, obviously, because this will obviously just move around the powder, and you don't want that. I'm just curious to see like how it would look if I put some powder. Okay. Oh wow, it actually applied pretty well. Basically, this is still like another brush, I guess, like a kabuki brush. So I feel like it would have done it can obviously do the job. I was just kind of nervous because I wasn't really sure on how it would like look with everything, but overall it's actually really pretty. Yeah, overall this is really pretty. I always take the access. I don't really like set my full face with powder. I just take whatever I use for my eyes and kind of spread it out, because I go over it with another layer of powder, which is my skin complexion. So you guys didn't know that, huh? Little trick. Put my powder over there. So yeah, like I use Ruby. What is this? Kisses? Yeah, Ruby Kisses. So I use this one, and I'm the color Honey Brown. So I just open it like that, and I just start from my jawbone upward, and yeah, I just put it like on like this. As you can see, I don't really need to dip back in. I feel like once you kind of start here, it's like so much product, you don't really need a lot. A little goes a long way with that product. And this is literally how I do my face all the time, my everyday. Like, this is kind of how I would do my face. Simple, no lashes, no mascara. I'm pretty simple, and I always use clear lip gloss. My favorite is Kiss. Reason being, I hate lip glosses that are sticky. I hate it with a passion. And this one is really smooth. It's not sticky. It lasts for a while, and it kind of has like a nice little like fragrance. I can't speak today, you guys. I don't know what's wrong with me. A really nice fragrance. And as you can see, that like this is kind of like no makeup kind of look. So especially on a day like this. And what I use to contour is actually also Kiss. I feel like I use a lot of Kiss products, you guys. I don't know. I guess I really like that brand. This is my favorite contouring kit. I only really use this, to be honest with you. It's my favorite. You've probably seen it in every video. I mix the two of them, and I just like suck in my face and mix the two. like magic. Just like that. And then for fun, I'll take on the back side this really nice highlight. I'll just take it and I put it like right above the brow. Right above the brow. Put it right above the brow. And I only put it here. I don't put it here. I put it here. Reason being, you'll notice like this highlight is more subtle. If I put it on the cheeks, I feel like it just pops out the whole cheek. And when I'm doing my everyday look, I don't really want that, if that makes any sense. So I just put it here. And it blends in well enough. Like, I don't know, my cheeks I feel like has a lot of oil there. So it just kind of like, you know, it looks like I highlighted, but I didn't. And it's just like right there. So it just looks a lot better. My eyes. So this skinny tip is gonna help a lot. And you just gotta have a steady hand. Like, honestly, it took me years to figure out, because I have folded lids. Like, my lids are not, like, it has like so many lines. It jacks up my liner all the time and doesn't make it straight unless if I pull the eye. And I hate pulling my eye. And for fun, if you want, you can do like a little heart here, like, you know, just, it's up to you. But you're just gonna take a little bit of the concealer and clean up. You don't squeeze it out. You don't squeeze it out. You just kind of take what's already there, because as you can see, there's still a lot of products. That's why I was telling you guys that I always put the excess under here, under my eyes, because there's still always so much product. And you just do that. And then you're gonna take that same blending brush that you use for the brows, and you'll just blend it out. Okay, blend it out just like that. Okay, just like that. You will blend it out, blend it out. See? Bomb, right? Go closer so you can see. And it also kind of just like, I guess because you already set this part of your eye, it just kind of pulls it back more. And then you're just gonna take a little bit of that powder. You're just gonna set here. You're not setting your whole eye. You're just taking a little bit and you're just putting it right here. Right there. Right there. That's it. And then you're gonna blend that out. So obviously it's not like a cast or anything. You're gonna blend that out. Just circle motions again, but you can be a little bit more, apply more pressure. I'm just gonna make sure that your brows and everything is on point. And that's that. Just like that. That's it. And then you're done. I know it seems simple, but it really is. And I feel like this brush, you guys, really did work its magic. Like, definitely thumbs up this video, because I really feel like this brush definitely contributed to this look, because I've done this look over and over again, and I feel like, yeah, obviously it looked great with my beauty blender, but this is like the I feel like the smoothest I've seen my skin applying with a brush, a foundation brush. So yeah, I definitely would give this a thumbs up. I'm gonna wash it and kind of use it again tomorrow, and then maybe take some pictures and post it on my Instagram. So definitely go check that out tomorrow when I post my makeup look, because I'm gonna see, like, after, I feel like sometimes after you wash the brush and you kind of like disturb, I guess, the bristles, you can kind of really see if a brush really works as magic. So I'm gonna see you guys. So don't forget, like I said, thumbs up this video, and thank you for watching. Bye.